So shrimp man, 3 shrimp boat and 2 trawler boat. Right, and see the trawler man I got trawl right through the shrimp man name spot now. See no start cause an argument. It all cause argument, people. Take it from me. Look upon it now. Look upon it. See the people, what I'm telling you, say it all cause argument. That the 3 shrimp man them attack him one time. The 3 shrimp man them attack him one time. I know it's going to cause problem. Yeah. 3 shrimp man. 1 trawler man just come and see the man in my trawl, catch shrimp, and the trawl right through the midst of it. You see? I said then treat it, you know, when we're here trying to catch fish, then just come and then trawl for the entire day. Burst off our lines and all them stuff. But yeah, I said it going on. But people sometimes so it's like a war zone out here. Yeah, man. And it should be fun. See, fishing should be fun for everybody. But the boatman them, they say that they have a license, we don't. And I'm sure I have my license.
They're working.
Yeah, and I work them I work. We not working. I work them I work for them job that. We can understand say yes, them living the honest bread off it and something, but we are here trying to have fun. A recreational fishing we do. Yeah.
What on top of them, man?
Come, throw back.
Big brother.
Look here, my peeps. Shrimp in a net. Shrimp in a net by the dozen.
This is a sign.
Shrimp in a net by the dozen, my peeps. Look here. Look here.
Come on, that sounds better things ahead. What do you think?
You say good days coming?
Yeah, man.
Nice, what's the people? Good shrimp. Shrimp in a net, my peeps. Shrimp in a net. Look here, look here. Look here. Look here, my peeps. I should be counting them now. I didn't count much catch a while ago. This is supposed to be the biggest catch. So nice size shrimp, my peeps. Nice size shrimp. Look there. Nice. Throw back them fish now, you know. We don't want these. Wait, this one not going back.
Man, throw back the fish in your boat. Okay.
Chop on going back. More to go, but I don't want to come. Show it. Yeah. That's a good look. That's a good cast again.
So much shrimp in the net yet from here to net.
That's nice. Go on, show back these. Shrimp again, my peep. Shrimp again, my peep. Shrimp again. And they are, no worry yourself, I'll see those. No worry yourself. Hey, they flick hard, you know, man. Yeah, man. This pump not stopping now. Until the battery dead. No, fear won't stop. Yes, my peep. Shrimp for days. Alright, so these going back in the water. And the bird, them are wait upon them, no peeps. Bird, them are wait upon them. Any more?
Yeah, one. First one, yeah. First, what do you call it? Codfish?
Mudfish,
eh?
Codfish.
Codfish.
Mudfish. Anyone you want to say, sir?
I want a 2. Or 1.
One. See me?
I'm just out.
They're really fat. More than the ordinary.
I want them for 2 and 1 drop out before 1.
I'm not feeling any. Peeps catching the shrimp, man. Catching the shrimp, man. And how much that, man? It's about 3.
Where? How about that this? What
Alright, let us count. Let us count. Yeah. It's more than 3. More than 3.
If the bridge and
Let
get
us
3
count.
one time
That's
excitement.
it's 6 already. 7.
If the bridge and get 6, 4, 3 one time
1,
excitement.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 7.
Bless you, man. Bless you right there, you know?
Yeah, I want to catch some good. You must catch some good fish today.
Oh, God.
It's been a while. Here.
Well, I want to be one idea when I come around and say, yo, we catch 10 snook. My Aaron come next week and tell me catch 15.
15. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to try everything today now. Float. Wow, shrimp again. Come on, watch it. This is no fish, no. One fish. Pure shrimp. One fish.
I would have cured next whole day.
Well, that's the 2 fish now and about 10 shrimp. Wow, I like that one here. I love this one. Make sure to take them up first. People, look at this. Big.
Man, them get play now.
That's a monster.
Teacher, right now you connect one, 2 pumps in there.
Shrimp and I jump back out a bucket.
History is a teacher.
History? No, so we used to catch shrimp. We're full. For you? Okay, okay. This is about a dozen shrimp or more you catch all again.
Yeah. Can I go on next bucket?
No one no more bucket, brother.
Too much in that one.
Well, that's true. Yeah. People, I'm busy. I can't even catch when I cast the net because I'm busy taking up shrimp. Timing off, and I don't want these birds to come and pick up any of the shrimp them. Nothing. Alright, the first intro and draw nail, people. First is a blank show. Alright? So me catch him now. Nice, that's a nice caster. If you don't catch any shrimp, might as well you go away.
Where?
Oh, you're not ready.
Complain.
People, good morning. Welcome to Taz Marty Fishing Adventure. This is your boy Taz Marty. Yes, man, me and Bayer here. And we're here catching some shrimp. Right? See the shrimp man in the water. They're busy from morning. As you can see, I showed you earlier. They are busy arguing with one another as well. But we're here catching some shrimp. So guess what? We not argue. Not a blank show. Is it? Oh, 2 shrimp inside there. So we're busy catching some shrimp, my peeps. Alright, these are live bait. Live bait we're going to use today. So normally we'd buy shrimp from the shrimp man, from the boatman them.
Or use toffee.
Right? Or use the toffee them. Today we're not going to do that at all because we're catching our own. Right? So stay tuned, you know. Stay tuned. Something might happen today that you can't miss. You can't afford to miss anything at all. So stay tuned, peeps.
Only. No, come you come there. Get the time. Yeah.
Right here. We don't understand Spanish, so we understand. We know what he's saying.
Kind of implied sign.
Where is he from? Cuba? Yeah. Okay. Cuban better than Brazil, you know. Wow, look at that. You have to give me thumbs up. Good, very good. Very good. That's a nice cast. Let me see what they'll take up with it still. Go over where? And buy a catch him from man, look there. Hope they did that. See my gently draw it. Make it draw on the ground like that. You don't do that, you just lift up in it fast.
Yeah, no matter me, I learn.
It's not a big and heavy still, so you know, so it's good to catch snook on the bridge. Because it's snook them. Or the mullet you see a pass. Nothing at all. People on my wonder one here. And I might wonder one there, so a nice snook. A nice snook, my peeps, so a nice snook. Eh? Brandish for somebody else's fish. Yeah.
How the football net they come from?
Yeah, come. Oh, what is this?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, signal net the man. Oh. Come, drop the net again. Drop the net. Take up the net and drop.
Yeah.
No, man, drop it forward.
Go for the end there. Alright.
Yeah.
Come up now.
Come, Mr. Chin. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, you want to get to? You're letting go.
I put a little pen mark on the back of the left eye.
Okay.
One little black mark.
Yeah, man, see that, man.
Yeah,
It's out there and over, move up.
Big.
3
Nice.
pound. 3.5 pound.
Nice one, Mr. Chin. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Nice one. Alright. This is Dimitri, my subscriber. And people, him dim thing, you know. Him have him channel on TikTok. Him dim thing is here today. The first man in my meetup. Make him go on, don't rush that.
One top, man.
That's it, man.
They don't stop.
Let me take my machine powder go. Look here. Go make him go on. Make him go on. Come on, show the real. Make him go on. You have line from that. Make him go on. It's much time he strike him all ago. And he still can't get there. He still can't get there. Make him go on. So that's much put the on him.
What I say? Put little jog on him.
No! No! Make the fish run in at the time.
Party fish, yeah.
Look here, that's one shrimp somewhere in the
Party fish.
Look for this one shrimp out the place there, yeah.
Gone. Teacher, gone.
Boss. What's the best? Alright, we're bridging on to something. We're bridging on to something. We're bridging on to something. Alright, take up net, people. We have to take up net, we have to take up net, we have to draw net, draw net. Draw net. See there, him catch all of the shrimp them today.
Oh.
So we can't say him catch them in vain. Alright, make him stay there, so make him stay there, so make him stay there, so.
Go up.
Alright.
Feel like down there slip, you know?
Alright.
You know?
Huh?
Gotta feel like that. Slip.
See him here.
I will catch my fish. No making that.
See now, peeps. See the next one there, see the next one there, see the next one there. See the next one here. See the next one here. Swanga, you want net for that?
What do you mean?
Alright. All this in the hand for me, please.
I move, sir.
No man, it's when it's small, you don't use net.
You don't understand what I'm going with. What's the one net for that? A net there, you think I'm going on a net.
Let's make him stay.
Yes, Swanga, this is snook, this brother.
No, who's a swanga? You said swanga.
You?
Me?
Swanga.
Ah,
Teacher say swanga.
no, you said something and I asked who's the swanga.
No.
Teacher don't know fish.
Fish on already. Fish on already, peeps. Fish on. Snook on already. First cast. And in tear out the right place too. Fish on already. Right, that's a one. One not my peeps, right on the corner. Yes, my peeps. Right, as I know we're there, so me and my brethren, Shotty. Right, and we're there catch some snook. Very small, you know. We're throwing out for big snook, people under them a bite. So you know what? We are collect them, you know. We are had them up. So let me keep the camera running because the way they catch so fast, if by the time I'm ready to turn on the camera, then reach our land. That can tell you how easy them before come in. I have to watch two floats now, you know. Please, I'm telling you something. The fish here say them pick up off camera. Because the camera is on and they're not picking up any at all. It's a fish them don't like the camera light. So, all I'm going to do, cut the camera, and as soon as I hook up, I tried to turn on. Oh man. Oh. Robbery. From morning to noon. Casting off net for shrimp. People, the bucket are full today. This is full. And see it now we start us again. You see the man have to take turns. Him burn out. I wanna burn out right so. So next man have to take over.
We feed them at the time. And then the fish there then walk on the point.
You see much I come up right now. Nothing? Yeah man, I had 1, 2.
One piece phone ball them brother.
Show it. Put this in. Take out the one and put it in.
Where you come and see for? Come both 2 shrimp and go back a yard.
I might shrimp that you know. Then I hear bucket in show brother.
Watch out. Not realize that the bucket they going now. See there, yeah, you get him back.
Teacher this is bad. I teacher this is fine, you know.
No, I never realize I which bucket man.
I do. Set it.
Shrimp where they are catching the people because fish not picking any at all. So we just spend the rest of the evening and catch some shrimp. Afraid of this place here, you know.
That chart is storage.
Some Matalan could have sort out the place look better so we could have get the fish. Look at this.
Come on, go do. Eh? We don't charge the storage and rent book. Come on, go do Hookup.
People home sweet home, you know. Not how to go on. Shrimp is a shrimp day. Right, today was a bait day, but no fish to really pick.
I'm bucket them, brother.
Right, see things are beating on the water. The things are turning on the water right now. When I go at night, you know, people. Supposed to after what time? After 6 or after 7? That to 7. Which one? What's to 7, man? Yeah. Going on, my people. So on next time. Peace and love. Every time. Tasmati Fishing Adventure. I'm out.